What are cestodes? Although we often tend to think of non-human animals like rats, bats, dogs, and others as carriers of all sorts of infectious organisms, little do many people know that they may have plenty of such organisms themselves. One of the parasites people can harbor in their intestines, which can then go on to infect other people, is known as a tapeworm, which is a common term for medical important parasitic worms of the saxotomic class of Cestoda, the cestodes. So why are cestodes oftentimes called tapeworms? It's because their bodies have a tape-like segmented shape to it. Cestodes have a head called a scalyx, which has suckers. These suckers are used to attach to a person's intestinal tract. Some cestodes also have hooks on their head as well. Although cestodes can be found in person's digestive tract, ironically, they don't have one themselves. They absorb nutrients through a skin-like covering instead. Another thing that cestodes don't have, a body cavity. Instead, their insides are filled with spongy cells that suspend their internal organs. And when it comes down to reproduction, cestodes are monoecious. In other words, they are hermaphrodites. They are also oviparous, or egg-laying. Symptoms may include upper abdominal discomfort, diarrhea, and loss of appetite. However, infestations are usually asymptomatic. Tapeworms harm their hosts by stealing vital nutrients, causing malnutrition, and, if left untreated, can cause intestinal blockages. Fun fact of tapeworms can grow tapeworms can grow 15 to 30 feet or 10 meters in length. The largest tapeworms grow up to 59 feet or 18 meters. Risk factors for tapeworms. First, poor hygiene. Infrequent washing and bathing increases the risk of accidental transfer of contaminated matter to your mouth. Second, exposure to livestock. This is especially problematic in areas where human and animals' feces are not disposed of properly. Third, frequent travel to developing countries. Infection occurs more frequently in areas with poor sanitation practices. And lastly, eating raw or undercooked meats. Improper cooking may fail to kill tapeworm eggs and larvae contained in contaminated pork or beef.
Thank you for listening.